How to remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. So if you want to remove WhatsApp bottom navigation bar, then you just need to open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open your WhatsApp, now here, if you have the navigation on the bottom of your screen, then to remove that, what you need to do is the only way to remove the bottom navigation bar on your WhatsApp is to install the oldest version of WhatsApp, because in the latest version we don't have that option. So if you have the latest version, like if you go to the Play Store and if you search for WhatsApp, then here you will have updated version, right? You will have the July 1 2024, which is nearly just 1 week ago. So if you have the updated version, then you will not be able to remove the WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. So to remove that, the only way is to install the oldest version. You can install the oldest version from any one of your websites or the trusted websites. You can go for your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome. Once you're here on the Chrome, you can go for the search and search for WhatsApp APK download old version, and from here you can download the WhatsApp oldest versions. And if you download the oldest version, then the option of the bottom navigation will be removed. So that's how you can remove the WhatsApp bottom navigation bar. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.